Alright, I'm Cody here in my big check. Shadow Metal Bars. Colt Band Gum Grips. 5 Pantera bars. Custom sprayed silver, the little dots. Sapient stem. Forks are a salt. Headsets of salt. Wheels of salt. This is a blue in my ghetto tire, DK tire. But it's ghetto because I had to cut it. And my peg, this peg right here is a Bone Death. This peg right here is a Primo. And then we go down. Right now, I'm going to talk about this. My friend let me use his Federal Fat seat. And then I got a Fiend purple seat post. And then a Fiend Salt seat clamp. And then all this is salt. Bottom bracket salt, crank salt. Pedals are Kink Bike Coat. They're actually really nice. I like them. I spray painted my sprocket black because I thought it would look good, and it does. And my it's a Halfling chain, KMC chain. I don't know if you can get it, but you probably can. I don't really care. My back wheel is my frame is a We the People Justice. It's pretty light, I guess. For my back wheel is just a salt. Tires this blue cap is a Mission. This thing right here is my favorite thing, but it sucks. It's my Primo hub guard, yeah. And then my Odyssey JPEG. And then you want to do a dial test? Yeah, let's do a dial test. I mean, not dial. We don't know, man. Dial.
How loud is your hub?
Probably not loud.
Oh, yeah.
Fly. Start over! I don't want to hear your voice! I knew it! Ah! Nose back! The bar! No! I'm Cody Hurd. Well, not yet, a bit. I'm Cody Hurd and this is my bike check. I got Shadow Metal. Oh, shit!